Konafah, a dessert from Egypt. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. To make the syrup, add sugar to water, stir on mild heat stove until dissolved. Step 2. Add lemon juice and boil for 30 to 45 minutes using minimum heat until it gets viscous and thick. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Add vanilla. Step 3. To make the nuts, convert the nuts to small particles the size of sesame seeds. Mix with coconuts and cinnamon. Step 4. To make the konafah, use a 9 by 11 inch tray. Coat all sides of the tray with butter. Step 5. Mix konafah with molten butter. To do so, try to divide it to small pieces to be mixed with butter. Step 6. After mixing, divide konafah into 2 equal quantities. Spread the first half of konafah in the tray and try to press it and make its surface even. Spread the nuts mixture over it. Then, Step 7. The second half. Add the remainder press amount of butter on the surface, making its surface even. Step 8. Bake in preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until the lower surface of konafah turns golden. Step 9. Turn the oven to broil until the upper surface turns golden. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.